guys, Eric here. Thanks again for watching as always, and be sure to subscribe to see more videos just like this. Today I want to talk about Toonly, which is a great cartoonish advertising software. However you want to use it, there's many ways you can use this software, whether you're storytelling, doing the sales video, maybe they're for courses or training, but whatever that may be, this is a great angle to get the attention of your audience. The first thing I want to do before I talk about scenes and how it works with Toonly, I want to quickly show you a video I made just recently for my friend who's actually a locksmith. Now consider the quality of the video here because I'm using a screen recorder, that this is not the actual quality, okay, because I'm using the screen recorder. But watch the video real quickly to see what I did here. And again, that was an extremely quick video here, just a quick advertisement, and just to show you what you too can do with Toonly. Now, as I'm going to it here, you can see I've got the enterprise version, and I want to create a new window to show you how this works. We're just going to call it Scene Create. And again, very user-friendly. What you'll notice here, the top left, where that icon is for scenes, if I scroll all the way down, you're going to get 20 scenes that you can play with here, okay? So let's just give you, for instance, let's give you a space. Let's bring that into the forefront. You drag it, you drop it, it loads. You press play. It's really easy. Now watch, once I press play, you'll see everything happen. Okay, there's your character. He's doing a little something there, okay? So now this scene, because it is auto-populated, so some of these might have you know, an object or a person in their character. You can change that. So let's go back. He comes in right around here. You can see where the green's at. Okay? But again, let's take him out. So right on here where it says idle, I can remove that. And now all I've got is the scene. I don't have any characters. But I want you to notice too that you've got the option here. If I right click, you know, how do you want it to come in? The entrance, if you know, it had sort of a bounce to it there, right? Watch this. See how bounce kind of in? I can control that too. And I can go ahead and unclick the entrance part, save. Let's go back. So it just depends what you want to do with it. Let's add a character to show you how it works. Characters. Let's just take this person here. Let's put her right on the planet. See how easy that was, that drag and drop? Let's have her come in about 1 second in. Go back. Boom, there she is right on the planet. And then she disappears out of that area. So that's just one scene. Now let's go back and just to show you a couple other examples here. Let's add a new scene. Let's do the adventure one. Okay, press play. Okay, now you'll notice they get the girl here. Now you can do different things. You can make her bigger, right? Let's go back. Maybe instead of holding the camera, maybe she's holding a mobile device instead of holding a camera. Okay. Here's another scene, the circus. Let's show you this one real quickly. Bring that in. And what you'll notice in this particular scene here, we've got balloons and we've got the character. So the balloons are the object, and again, you can add or take away any sort of object. Press play again. You see how they came in. He's clapping, and he goes out. So these are just some examples of some of the scenes here. There's a variety to work with, and you can do so much with it. And again, as I said before, there's just so many options in using Toonly, and it just depends on what type of platform you want to use it for. But it will do wonders for your business. And the fact that it is so user-friendly really makes it fun to work with. Now, I want to quickly mention too that if you head over the description box, that's where you'll find a special link I'll have for the Toonly. And if you end up getting it, let me know. I'd love to give you a free copy of one of my ebooks that'll help you out with your business and getting more conversion. Thanks for watching, guys. See you real soon.